Most people place plants randomly. A plant in the living room. Another in the bedroom. Maybe one in the kitchen. Today, I'll show you how to design your full apartment room by room, using a simple system that makes everything feel intentional, balanced, and calm. Part 1. Why most apartments feel disconnected. The problem isn't the plants. It's the lack of flow between rooms. Each room feels isolated. No visual connection. No rhythm. No consistency. And plants, when used correctly, can fix that. But there's one hidden mistake almost everyone makes when designing multiple rooms. And it completely breaks the flow of the apartment. I'll show you what it is and how to fix it later in the video. First, let's build the system. Part 2, the apartment flow system. Think of your apartment like a journey. Each room is a chapter. Plants are visual connectors. Part 3, living room. The anchor zone. This is the strongest visual space. Use one anchor plant, one support plant, and one flow plant. In a moment, I'll show you a small change in the living room setup that can make the entire apartment feel bigger. Most people completely miss it. But first, let's connect this room to the next. Part 4, bedroom. The calm zone. Bedroom plants should be minimal, soft, and non-dominant. Use one low-light plant. Avoid large or aggressive shapes. I used to treat every room the same. Same types of plants everywhere. The result? Nothing felt special. It wasn't until I gave each room a role that everything started to feel intentional. Part 5, kitchen. The functional zone. Kitchen plants should be practical, small, and easy to access. Best choices are herbs, small pots, and window plants. Avoid clutter. This is a working space. In a minute, I'll show you why most kitchen plant setups fail, and how a single placement change can fix everything. Part 6, the bathroom. The humidity zone. This is your spa. Use moisture-loving plants like ferns here. It instantly elevates the apartment. Part 7, entryway. The first impression. This space sets the tone. Use one statement plant or a clean minimal setup. It should feel open, inviting, and not crowded. Now, remember that mistake I mentioned earlier? Here it is. Using completely different plant styles in each room. This breaks visual flow. Tropicals here, minimal there, random herbs everywhere. Result, disconnected apartment. The fix, choose a consistent plant language. Similar leaf style, similar color tones, or similar pot design. Now everything feels connected. Solving the living room trick, angle your anchor plant slightly toward the room. Not flat against the wall. This creates direction, movement, and visual expansion. Small change, huge impact. Now, solving the kitchen failure. The reason, plants placed too far from light. The fix, place plants where you naturally stand. Near the sink or prep area. In the next section, I'll show you a simple trick that makes your entire apartment feel more expensive using just plant placement. The luxury feel trick, use negative space. Don't fill every corner. Leave gaps. Spaced intentionally, they feel curated, not random. If you want your apartment to feel designed, not decorated, subscribe to the Urban Leaf. An apartment isn't just rooms. It's a flow of experiences. Plants can guide that flow. From active, to calm, to functional. And when everything connects, the space feels complete. If this helped you see your apartment differently, leave a like. Next, the biggest plant mistakes that make apartments look worse. This is the Urban Leaf. Growing calm in small spaces.